Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate preceding sibling XPath access. So let's get started. The syntax for using or specifying preceding sibling XPath access in XPath expression is we have to first type preceding, then we have to specify hyphen symbol, then we have to type sibling. Then we have to specify colon symbol, not one time, twice. So two times you have to specify colon symbol. So this is a syntax for using or specifying preceding sibling XPath access in XPath expressions. In the previous session, I have already explained about following sibling XPath access. Similar to that, we have preceding sibling XPath access, which I am going to practically demonstrate right now. So let's go with the practical demonstration of this preceding sibling XPath access right now. For that, I'll open this browser and take you to this sample application page, which is on my name. First, you need to type my first name, Arun. Then you have to type my last name, Muturi. Then say .github.io. Once you are taken to this page, right click on this page and select inspect option. Then you will get this Google Chrome DevTools. So now here on the right side, you click on this double arrow and select selector sub. So in the previous session, I have already demonstrated following sibling XPath access where I first created the XPath expression for locating this first paragraph tag, and by using that, I have located the following sibling tag, that is another p tag. Now in this session, we are going to do the opposite one. That is, we are going to locate the second paragraph tag first. Okay, by writing the XPath expression, we are going to locate this second paragraph. And by using the XPath expression of this second paragraph tag, we are going to locate the first paragraph tag by using this XPath access known as preceding sibling. Okay. So if you understood the previous session, you can easily understand this session also. Okay. Fine. So now let's locate the second paragraph. Let me inspect the second paragraph and this HTML code of the second paragraph. By looking at the HTML code of the second paragraph, let me write a proper relative XPath expression /p square bracket @id is equal to, I have to give para 2. So this XPath expression is going to locate the second paragraph. Now using the XPath expression of the second paragraph, I want to locate the first paragraph, which is the preceding sibling. Okay. These two paragraph tags are the children of the same body tag. So they are at the same level. This p tag and this p tag are at the same level. So they are called as siblings. So in real world, siblings are nothing but the meaning of the sibling word is brothers or sisters. Okay, because at the same level under the same parent tag. Now using the second paragraph tag, I would like to look at the first paragraph tag, which is preceding this second paragraph tag, which is coming before this or preceding the second paragraph tag. So for doing so, we have to use forward slash, then we have to write preceding, then hyphen, then sibling, colon. What is the tag name of the preceding sibling tag? P tag. So write P. Press enter. This will locate the first paragraph tag. By using the proper XPath expression of the second paragraph tag, we are locating the first paragraph tag, which is a preceding sibling of the second paragraph tag. So this is a XPath expression. Okay. Now we'll also do one more. Okay. One more thing also we'll try. So here in this HTML code, there's another sibling tags. Okay. Another set of sibling tags, that is head and body. Now I want you to write, okay, proper XPath expression for locating the body tag. And by using that XPath expression of the body tag, I want you to locate the first, this one, preceding sibling head tag. Okay. With the help of the body tag, XPath expression, I want to locate the head tag, which is a preceding sibling of the body tag. Here, head is a preceding sibling of the body tag. So you can pause this video. You can try that out. And after you resume the video, you can find my answer. Hope that you have tried that, tried using this preceding sibling XPath access in locating this head tag with the help of the XPath expression of the body tag. Now let me reveal the answer. /body. So this is a proper XPath expression for locating the body tag. Press enter. This locates the body tag, you see. Now using the body tag, I want to locate the head tag, which is a preceding sibling of the body tag. So I have to say /preceding hyphen sibling colon, then give head. Press enter. It located the head tag. You see, head tag got located. With the help of the XPath expression of the body tag, I located the preceding sibling tag, which is the head tag. Okay. So this is the XPath expression for that. So if you have written in the same manner, then you're good to go. Okay. You're good with the usage of the preceding sibling XPath access in XPath expressions. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.